Hi, how to create this effect in Power BI desktop, or even Power BI services. So you see that here, there's a drop down, and then when you change to page one, which is the page report page itself, it goes to there. When I click on the main, it goes to this. So let's go to main, right? So first we create, and not only that, let's say if we go to page one and I click on this, it really goes to that page. See that? So how to do that? So as I repeatedly told you that if you read just that article, you will not learn. You need to practice. So to practice, right, we will try it out. And the first thing I realize is that if I go to here and it says that you need to create a single column table. So, but how to create a single column table? Well, yes, you can use the insert, modeling. Click new table. The thing is that yes, it has the table here. So it has a table here. It's just that, oh yeah, gotta enter data. Okay, so you enter data and then you start typing it here. You start page one and then go to the next one, main. And the data is just simply called table uh, report name. Okay, table report name. So click, just click load. We don't do much here. All right, we have a new table here. So select the item, click the just now what we do is that we select a new table, and then after that select this item here on the pane here. Oops, and then enter data. Yeah, select this item and then choose. Oh, that would be too late. Yeah, it's just too late here. So again, one more time. Oh, just click enter data. Cool. Yeah, we just create this thing table here. So you go to the home tab, you have a things called ant data. So you can create new table right there. Then once you have that, what you do is that you create a slicer. So let's pick a slicer. So it's right here. So it's over here. And I do drag value there. Oops, this is very true. So why is that so? Oh yeah, yeah. That's because the now by default it was a single. Not true, right? Let's just click on here. So report page name we do have. Oh, that because here we choose here, right? So it's linked to that. See that it's main. Okay, so since this is a new one, assuming this is a new one, we don't want to use this. We go for this here. So select column. You should have main and page one. So that's title. So I have a slicer now. Let's do some configurations. So go here, check on this the slicer setting, selection. So I'm gonna use the, well, you can also use vertical, that's like that if you have a lot of space. But if you want to save space, go vertical and choose single select. And now how do you create drop down, right? Click on this item here, choose, okay, so click on this item here, change it to drop down type. Okay, so you get it here. Now the thing is that we want to change the button. See here, we're going to change here, you can change the button. So how do we do that? Well, obviously insert the button. So insert the blank button. It's right here, drag it here. Again, change the color if you will. Effect, background, turn it on. Very nicely done. And yeah, so Then go to button, go to style, and turn on the text. Say go. Okay, and you can change the type. In fact, you can just copy these buttons and change accordingly. So I'll just go for this. Okay, let's say this is the one that I want to. Okay, go. And now I go to mm, collapse this. Go to action, and then here change it to page navigation. So at the moment, we'll go for this. Okay, different condition that you set. So the field name will be under the table, column one. Well, basically just choose this item will do, and then click OK. And now let's take a look here, right? If I go to, well, I'm in main, okay, now just go to page one and click on this. That we working? Well, yes, it is. Okay, so how does it connect it to? Oh yeah, that's because this one pick on one value. Let's say go to here. Okay, main is just itself, right? So it will change. Okay, so this page one. Let's click on here, change to that one. Now, if you look at the top one, right, the moment we choose the item here, the buttons label will change as well. So how do that do it? How to do it? So you gotta find out yourself, okay? So what I will show you is that now it works. And it only works when I tried it out, try this thing out. You can just see it here. Okay, so now once I have tried it out, I watch first, I read it, then I follow it, and try it the second time. Now I share it to you. So basically, I have repeated 3 times. Repeat 2 times. First time, just learning, discovering, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember, the only way to succeed in life is to help others first to get what they want. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together, we excel before 50.